What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today has been a busy day. I am going to be doing 2 unboxings, but I'm gonna separate them into 2 videos because honestly it's gonna be a lot for just one video. But I'm doing 2 unboxings because I purchased 2 pairs of shoes in the past 2 weeks. A lot of 2s. I purchased the past 2 pairs of shoes in the past 2 weeks, and they actually arrived on the same day this week. Excuse me. And so that's what we're gonna do. You can actually see the other box behind me. I thought it would be out of frame, but apparently it's not. We're gonna get to that one second. This is the box for the Air Jordan 9 Olive. They just dropped last week, and they arrived this week. You already know the deal. This is gonna be a blind unboxing, so what you see on camera is my real reaction. This one is really special to me because the Air Jordan 9 Olive is actually the first pair of Air Jordans I ever owned in my life. I got them when I was in 5th grade. My brother convinced my mom to get me a pair for school because it kind of matched our uniform. And so these shoes was my first time ever slipping on a pair of Air Jordans. Not only do I think the shoe looks amazing, but it holds serious nostalgic and sentimental value to me. I'm really excited to, I guess, take like a trip to the past, a blast from the past, if you will. It would be sick if I could find clothes that basically match my school uniform from 5th grade and wear that with these and just really like transport myself back to like 2002, I think, something like that. I think that's when I was in 5th grade. But yeah, that's a little quick backstory. These are the 9s. That's another shoe. We're gonna get to that shoe in the next video, but for now we're gonna focus on the 9s. And so let's go ahead and open this box up. All right, so here is the box. It's got the Air Jordan logo on the front, black and gray box, black top. That's about it. Pretty plain box, but it still looks really good though. It's got like kind of a glossy finish to it. So now, moment of truth. Black wrapping paper. Yeah, oh man. Oh, this brings me back to my childhood. These are the Air Jordan 9 Olive. Now, I know you're probably thinking, why are they called the Olive when I don't see olive? All I see is brown. I couldn't tell you. I guess some olives are brown. Maybe it's like a brown olive. There's brown olives, right? Like Kalamata olives, I think, are brown. But yeah, you would normally think it's olive green, but no, it's not the case. They are brown. The brown portion is nubuck, and the black portion of the upper is leather. Right there, the inside is a booty that you slip your foot into. So this is just one, on the inside, this is just one piece, and then the upper is attached to it. The tongue, breathable, and you got your Air Jordan tag right there. If it focuses, bam, Air Jordan right there. Pops of red, Air Jordan. Basketball, red on the tongue, red on the outsole, and red on the heel. Beautiful shoe, and from what I'm seeing with this pair, I'm not seeing not really any defects. I don't know if this little like arrow, whatever, I don't know if that's a defect or if that's just how the shoe is, because that's how it is with the military blue 4s. Both feet had this little pointy thing and it was bigger, and I saw that on other pairs as well. So I don't know if it is a defect. I'm not gonna notice it, but yeah, these are super beautiful. They're not the lightest shoe in the world. This midsole carries a bit of weight to it. It's not the lightest shoe, but I can already tell it's going to be mad comfortable. And I will show you all shots of it on feet so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So yeah, that's essentially the Air Jordan 9 Olive. Do not expect these to be olive green, they are brown. It is a black and brown shoe. I think these were worn by Michael in a commercial. I think these were made for a commercial. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, nonetheless, that is the Air Jordan 9 Olive Retro. I'm gonna show you guys what these look like on feet, and then we will wrap up the video. All right, so here is the Air Jordan 9 Olive on foot. Like I always do after the shoe reveal, my outfit is super simple. If you're just here for the shoe, at least right now, you'll see outfits later on. If you follow me on social media, then you'll be able to see how I put outfits together with these shoes. So go ahead and do that. Now, please, thank you. Air Jordan 9, super comfy. Lighter than I thought they would be. I thought they would be in hand, they feel a little hefty, you know, but on feet, they don't feel, you can kind of feel right at the forefoot, the same part that I was talking about, the stuff that look like teeth. Right there, kind of, you can feel it a bit, you know, but it's still a very light shoe nonetheless. And again, it's called the Olive, but I wore these shorts just to show you. These ain't olive brown, at least. These ain't olive green, at least. They're olive brown. So maybe it's the Kalamata olive that they're talking about. I don't know, but earth tones. So you know they're gonna go with damn near everything. Green, orange, brown, black, you know, some blues, all of that. Earth tones. It's fall. Makes sense. Think about it. That's how you know it's a pretty big Jordan release, because it's part of the end of year releases. You know, they usually come out with the 11s around this time of year. All the major colorways that they want people to take advantage of for the holiday shopping come out around this time. I would recommend these highly. Forget all the nostalgia, forget all that. The 9 underrated Air Jordan, in my opinion, and this colorway. Top 3 colorway for the Air Jordan 9? Maybe. I think so. I think so. But yeah, that is the Air Jordan 9. We finally hit 600 subscribers, and what better way to celebrate 600 subscribers than with 2 unboxings. And so in the next video after this, you're gonna see the other pair of Jordans that I got. I love these, but the pair that I'm more excited about. That is about it. Please continue to support. I will try my best to be as consistent as I possibly can, but we hit 600 subscribers and it feels amazing. And I just wanna keep making videos if you all will have me. So with that being said, thank you guys for all the support, and that's about it. So until we put the pieces together again, everyone, later.